Earthly records. Around the world, longest. Longest beach, Praia do Cassino Beach, Brazil. At over 150 miles in length, this is the world's first longest sea beach in the entire world as per Guinness World Book Records. Brazil's beaches are known for their white sand and warm temperatures. Longest river, Nile, Egypt. Length, 6,650 km. The Nile is a major north-flowing river in the northeastern Africa. It flows into the Mediterranean Sea. Longest mountain range, Andes, South America. The Andes Mountains is the most extensive mountain range in the world. The Andes stretches for 4,300 miles. Longest river dam, Hirakud Dam, India. Hirakud is the longest earthen dam in the world and stands across the mighty river Mahanadi in the Sambalpur region of Odisha. Longest wall, Great Wall of China, China. The official length is 21,196.18 km. The Great Wall is more than 2,300 years old. Longest road tunnel, Liardal Tunnel, Norway. The 24.5 km long stretch of tunnel stretches between Åland and Liardal on the new main highway connecting Oslo and Bergen. Longest railway, Trans-Siberian Railway. The Trans-Siberian Railway, which connects Moscow with the Russia Far East, is still the world's longest direct rail route, running for 9,259 kilometers. Longest ship canal, St. Lawrence Seaway, Canada. The seaway is named for the St. Lawrence River, which flows from Lake Ontario to the Atlantic Ocean. Around the world, largest. Largest continent, Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world, covering 9% of the total geographical area of the Earth and also 30% of the total land area. Largest delta, Ganges Delta. The Ganges Delta, also known as the Sundarbans Delta or the Bengal Delta, is a river delta in the Bengal region of South Asia, consisting of Bangladesh and the Indian state of West Bengal. Largest desert, Antarctic Desert. The largest desert on Earth is the Antarctic Desert, covering the continent of Antarctica with a size of around 5.5 million square miles. Largest desert, subtropical, Sahara Desert, North Africa. The largest is the Sahara Desert, a subtropical desert in northern Africa. It covers a surface area of about 3.5 million square miles. Largest island, Greenland, Denmark. Greenland is officially the world's largest island that is not a continent, home to 56,000 people. Greenland has its own extensive local government. Largest dam, Three Gorges Dam, China. The Three Gorges Dam has been the world's largest power station in terms of installed capacity. Largest peninsula, Arabian Peninsula. The Arabian Peninsula is located in Asia. It is surrounded by the Red Sea, the Arabian Sea and the Persian Gulf in the west, south and east respectively. Largest plateau, Tibetan Plateau. It is an immense expanse of land, approximately 3,500 kilometers by 1,500 kilometers in size. The plateau is home to the Himalayan Karakoram complex at its southern rim. Around the world, highest. Highest mountain peak, Mount Everest. Mount Everest is Earth's highest mountain above sea level, located in the Mahalangul Himal subrange of the Himalayas. Highest mountain range, Greater Himalayas. Home to all 14 peaks over 8,000 meter, including Everest and K2. Himalaya means abode of snow with an estimated 15,000 glaciers throughout the range. Highest waterfall, Angel Falls, Venezuela. The highest or tallest waterfall in the world is generally agreed to be Angel Falls in Venezuela, which drop a reported 979 meters. Highest lake, Lake Titicaca, South America. Lake Titicaca, straddling the border between Peru and Bolivia in the Andes Mountains, is the world's highest navigable body of water. Highest volcano, Ojos del Salado. Nevada's Ojos del Salado volcano on the Chile-Argentina border is the world's highest volcano above sea level, but it rises only about 2,000 meters above its base. Around the world, tallest. Tallest monument, Gateway Arch, USA. Founded by the National Park Service in 1935 to commemorate Thomas Jefferson's vision of a transcontinental United States. Tallest building, Burj Khalifa, Dubai. At over 828 meters and more than 160 stories, Burj Khalifa holds the following records: tallest building in the world, tallest freestanding structure in the world, highest number of stories in the world. Bonus points. Tallest building, soon to be the tallest, Dubai Creek Tower, under construction. Tallest statue, Statue of Unity, India. The monument to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel stands 597 feet tall, overtaking the previous record holder, the 420-foot Spring Temple Buddha in China. Around the world, smallest. Smallest airport, Zhuangzhou Ruskin Airport, Netherlands. Saab is located on a small mountainous peninsula on the Dutch island Saba. It has the shortest commercial runway in the world. It's just 400 meters long. Smallest desert, Cartros Desert, Canada. Cartros Desert, located in Yukon, Canada, is often considered the smallest desert in the world. The Cartros Desert measures approximately 2.6 kilometers square. Smallest continent, Australia. The continent of Australia, sometimes known in technical context by the name Sahul, Australasia or Magnesia to distinguish it from the country of Australia. Smallest country, Vatican City. The smallest country in the world is Vatican City, with a landmass of just 0.49 square kilometers. Around the world, biggest. Biggest airport, King Fahd International Airport, Saudi Arabia. King Fahd Airport is an impressive airport located in Dammam, Saudi Arabia. Although the airport property covers about 776 square kilometers, the airport building sits on 36.8 square kilometers of land. Biggest ocean, Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on Earth. It spans 60 million square miles from California to China, and in certain regions extend tens of thousands of feet below the surface of water. Biggest country, Russia. Russia is the largest country by far, with a total area of about 17 million square kilometers. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.